Bonbini, everybody. Matt here from Fintastic Studios and, of course, Fintastic Cruising Podcast. Today, we have a special unboxing. I don't normally do unboxings on this channel, but hey, this is pretty awesome stuff. I've got the GoPro Hero 8 Media Mod. I've got the GoPro Hero 8 Light Mod. We're going to check them out. I'm going to unbox them, going to go over them, and then we'll see how they work. So let's start with the Media Mod, because that's the one I'm really the most excited about. Maybe I should save the best for last, but I'm not going to do that. So this is the Media Mod that just recently came out, finally came out. And what it does is it gives you the shotgun mic, it gives you some connections in the back. So I'm just going to open it up and see what we've got on the inside. Here's my trusty little X-Acto knife here. Open it up. I think I opened it the wrong way. There we go. Look at that. So we've got our normal paperwork, instructions. We'll go through that later on. And then looks like some warranty information there. Just your normal stuff you get in a package. But this is what we're really about, right? So this is the Media Mod here. And of course we've got an adapter, just a standard GoPro adapter right there. And the little thumb screw here. Okay, so this is pretty standard stuff. Nothing new, nothing surprising there, but nice that it comes with one, I guess. And then here is the real gem here. See if I can figure out how to open it up. Pull this out of here. I don't think there's anything else in this box. Nope, it is empty. So here it is, the Media Mod, and you can see it's got the shotgun mic here. It's got a couple cold shoes, one on the side, one on the top, which you can use this for the flip-up screen that's coming out hopefully soon, the light, or any other type of cold shoe accessory that you might have. It's got a little HDMI connector. That's not an HDMI. A little USB-C connector. And I can't remember what this one's called, but you know what I'm talking about. And then that, I believe, is a jack for a microphone right here. And then, of course, let's see how this opens up here. This is when I should have read the directions before doing this. Got to be careful with it. You just pull this down, it looks like. It's got a little spring. And then it just slides open just like that so that you can put your GoPro in there. Now, the GoPro Hero 8 has something that some people complain about, and that is this battery case. Let me just wipe the smudge off there. This battery door, I should say, that opens up. And one of the complaints people have is that it pops off rather easily. Well, the reason it pops off is because it's made for certain accessories to fit with it. So with it being off. Let me see if I can figure out. Now this always comes off when I don't want it to, but when I want it to, it's not going to come off here. Just kind of pulls off. Always makes me nervous, that little click, click. All right, so, but you can see it's got the little micro USB in there, or USB-C, sorry, USB-C in there. And it just plugs in. You can see there's a little USB-C port or plug there. It just goes in that way, snaps on, and boom, you've got your Media Mod right here. So we can use this. We've got the mic in the front, mic in the back. It looks like it even has a mic on the top. I know you can get stereo, or you can use one or the other. And then, of course, you can pull out your little paddles here for your accessories to attach it. So I'm going to set this off to the side. I'm going to get to the Light Mod now. And if you watch this channel, you know that one of the things we like to do is underwater footage. And so this is really cool because this light mod will help improve our underwater video, and it is waterproof to 33 feet, 10 meters, just like the GoPro Hero 8. Media Mod is not waterproof, so don't take that underwater. But you don't really need to. You don't need a microphone underwater. It's not going to really do you any good. So let's open this up and see what all we get with our light mod for the GoPro Hero 8. This one has feet, it looks like. Okay, so let's see. We've got our normal user guide here and some safety instructions. Put those to the side. What else we have? Look how little this thing is. This is tiny. I know they sell other lights, and I'm curious to see how this compares to other lights out there, but this thing is really, really tiny. So let me just set this to the side for right now. Of course, that is the real magic, but then we've got this. I don't know what this is. This looks like maybe a cover. Oh, I bet this is putting it on the back. That makes sense. This is probably a cover to protect it. That's cool. Didn't know it was going to come with that. So nice little way to protect your light here. And then what else do we have? We've got, looks like we've got a USB cable. This is probably for charging. This right here. Okay, so it's got the little USB-C, which is, I'm going to say how you charge it. Let's see, it's got a little door on here. Ooh, pops up. Did you see how it popped up? That's pretty cool. And then there's your USB-C, your little USB-C to charge it up. It's supposed to have decent battery life. We'll see. We'll put that to the test. And then I don't know what this thing is. You see this little foot? It's got a GoPro word on it. So so this is a little adapter here for this. I guess you can, I see. Okay, so you can just pop this on here, and then you can use this like a normal GoPro accessory. Or what I'm probably going to do with it for now, or when I'm underwater. Well, I can't do this underwater. I have a little rig I have that has a cold shoe, so that'll work. When I'm vlogging, maybe I'll put it here, pop that in there. See, is that in all the way? I don't think it's in all the way. There we go. Pops in right like that, just like so. Or you can also put it on the side, or any kind of cold shoe that you have. Now, I don't know if this is going to have, oh yeah, look at that. So this has, the lights are on, and nobody's home. No, so there we go. And I think this has different settings. It looks like it's brighter and even brighter. And then there's the flash thing. I won't keep showing that. So it's got 3 different variable brightnesses. And it's got the little flash one, which I will spare you from. And then to turn it off, I'm guessing you hold it down, boom, it turns off. Look at that. Didn't even have to read the user guide. And there you have it, the light mod and the media mod from GoPro. Hey, Bon Beanie, everybody. I know you can't see me very well, but we're going to do this test. I want to test the light out on this. So we've got 3 settings for the light, and then we've got that light filter that I called a cover. Anyway, here we go. I'm going to turn on the light onto the lowest setting, which am outside at night, and that's really bright. So we're going to try and kick it up a notch, though, because, you know, I'm a glutton for punishment. This is even brighter. I don't know, does it just glare off my glasses? Because that's all I can see. It's like a UFO has landed. And now I'm going to go to the brightest light because, you know, we're not done torturing our ocular nerve yet. Here we go. Here's the brightest light. I don't know if I'm going to be able to see after this is over. This is really, really bright. So I'm going to turn this video off for a second so I can put the filter on so you don't have to look at the flasher, because that's what comes next. All right, believe it or not, I'm here again. I don't know if you can see me, but I've got the cover on it, that little light cover that filters some of that excessively bright light out. So I'm going to turn it back onto the lowest setting here, and that is much less painful. Hopefully this is enough light for, I mean, literally filming at night, but we're going to see. We're going to kick it up a notch. There we go. Now this isn't that much more irritating to my eyes, but it is a lot brighter, I can tell that. And then of course we're going to go up one more time, and there we go, there we have it. So the 3 brightness settings from the new light mod from GoPro. Seems like a pretty powerful light. I've used it quite a bit now, and the battery's still going strong. There's no meter to tell us when it wears out, but so far I'm digging the new light mod. Okay, so now what we've got going on right here is I've actually got just a plain GoPro without the media mod, without the shotgun mic, and so the audio you're hearing right now is just from the GoPro. So we're going to test this media mod mic out and see how it sounds. We came up to this kind of busy street to give it some noise problems and stuff. So now I'm going to switch over and now this is the front mic, me talking into the front mic of the GoPro. So this is the difference here, if you could tell from what we just did with just a regular GoPro audio. Now I'm going to switch it to the rear mic and see how that sounds. Okay, so we're back now, and I've got the rear mic on, but of course I'm speaking into the front camera, so it's probably not going to sound great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the camera on something that's much lovelier than me anyway, and that way I'll be talking into the back of the camera. So we're going to switch this to Kimbra mode here. And Kimbra, say hi.
Hi.
But I'm about the same distance from the microphone as I was, but I am in the back facing the rear microphone, and that's the mode that it's in. So okay, so this is rear microphone. Now there's one more setting, and that is stereo microphone. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna switch it over to stereo microphone now. All right, we're back, and now I have it in stereo. There are sort of, I don't know if there's 3 microphones on this or 2, but there is definitely one in the front, definitely one in the back. And so since it's in stereo, I'm gonna talk from the back. Kimber, go ahead and talk from the front.
I'm talking from the front.
Just like that, so we can kind of figure out what it sounds like. I'm also going to move my body over to the side here and see what if it's any different from the side. And so now I'm at the side of the GoPro, and then I'll come back to the back. So this is the stereo setting on the GoPro Media Mod. We'll see how it sounds. All right, so there you have it. That is the Media Mod. I've switched it back to front microphone because we did some tests earlier, and it seemed like the front microphone was quite a bit superior than the other ones. I mean, the back was pretty good too, but obviously we're facing the camera, so front microphone just makes sense. Also, when I recorded earlier, I was by a really loud, oop, I gotta watch when I'm walking here. That's the problem with the light here. I'm just gonna hold Kimber's hand so she can guide me. When I was recording earlier, one of the problems that I had was there was a really loud industrial fan, like super loud. So I'll put that footage in here so you can see how well the GoPro audio picked up voices during that loud sound. I'm going by a loud area now so you can kind of get a feel for this. I'll try and keep this the same distance, like a big fan or something over there. All right, so there you can see it's pretty impressive, and I have to say I'm really happy with this microphone system, the Media Mod. It seems to work really well. I don't recommend walking at night with the light mod on unless you have a guide, Kimbra. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it, and of course you'll see a lot more of it in the future because this is our main vlogging camera now, and yeah, pretty cool deal. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to hit the thumbs up down below to let us know. Subscribe to the channel and hit that bell so you're notified every time a new video comes out on Fintastic Studios. Until next time though, have a fantastic day.
Bye-bye.